Hey everybody, Earl here coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois, mgmclassiccars.com. Just came in a fresh 1968 RS Camaro, Hugger Orange, 327 V8 rebuilt replacement motor inside the car, highly detailed engine compartment. Car's coming with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, cold air conditioning. It's got an upgraded aluminum radiator. Such a beautiful stance. Iconic. Thinner tire in the front with a big tire in the back. It's got a 12-bolt rear end. That great Hugger orange color. Body is super straight. It's got the functional headlights, RS in the front. They're working. Excellent. Car just lines up beautiful. The hood and the whole ball of wax here. All the interior's been redone. It's got that factory staple shifter in there. Just super, super nice. Nice set of Cragars on there. Let's go through it. Get you up personal and close to this baby. Good old Cragars. Great shape, no pitting. Tires are deep. Underneath the car, very, very clean. This car only has 500 miles on the build. Black vinyl top in great shape. Great stance with that big tire in the back. This way you can make your own lines on the road. $78,000 miles on the odometer. Seems to be true, but I can't guarantee any of that. It's a nice car. All right, let's go up and get close and see what we could find, so you're all happy when it comes home to you. Like I said before, this is a 327 car with the RS lights, and they are functional. Your front chrome bumper and lower valance with the lights are all working properly. All your chrome is good. Your hood lines up nice. Paint has a great shine to it. Lines up the way it should. Nice cowl hood on there. 327. Nothing in the paint flaws yet. Just going through it. Your wipers are there. Got a little spot here. I'll get off of it. All your chrome around the window is good. Oh, there's a little crack here in the glass on the bottom. Wipers are operable. All your badging's good. Car lines up great. All your chrome is good. All your glass on the passenger and driver's window in good shape, as well as the rear. Vinyl top is in very good condition. Rear window, great shape with your chrome all the way around it in real good condition. This car's fresh. No paint flaws. Wait a minute, I saw one. I thought I saw a chip. Okay, I'll find it. Let me get down on it. Great stance. Great stance. Rear chrome bumper is good. All your lights are working. Tail lights, brake lights, turn signals working. Heaters working. Air conditioners working. That's just dirt. Trunk tail fin is fine. Rear quarter's good. Again, your Cragar wheel's good. These tires are fresh. Oh no, a tiny little chip here. All your chrome is good on the passenger side. It lines up great again. Let's get down and so you can see it. There's no break in the line. It's straight the way it should be. All your badging's fine. It's got the cowl hood. Let me get down on an angle so you can look at it at that point. Okay. Let's take a look inside the cabin here. No rust to be found. All your door jambs are good. This here, see the moldings here? I'm gonna be repairing this. Just goes all the way through. It just needs to be put on. We're putting the molding on. Take a look underneath. It's clean. Really nice all the way throughout. Frame, everything. Well-preserved car. Your carpets are good. Your seats are great. Back seats. Your rear deck is good. Headliner in great shape. Like I said, 78,500 miles. Steering wheel's in good shape. Your dash pad's good. Sun visors are intact. Very clean, redone interior. Staple shifter. Upgraded radio. Nice, nice, nice. Let's show you the trunk. It's solid. All your welds are where they should be. I'll show you on this side. It's a nice car. Trunk is clean. Could use a little bit more detail, but it's clean and solid. No patches in there. I'll get my guys to clean it out some more. The trunk isn't staying up, but we'll fix that. That's the spring that's inside there. I'll get that fixed. Let's fire this baby up. All right. Give it a couple pumps. 1, 2. Nice dual exhaust sound. Let's take a listen. .327, 325 horse with air conditioning, upgraded aluminum radiator. I'm gonna give it a little bit more gas. We'll stay back with the car and keep listening to it. Heating that motor. It's cold. Front disc brakes, power steering. All your belts and hoses are good and fresh. Like I said, maybe 500 miles on the engine. And yes, once again, your headlights are working correctly the way they should. All your molding and weather stripping is in great condition. All the way through, it's fresh. Nice car, no disappointment. The brake light is on and I will be taking care of that. If you need financing with us and you're anywhere from a 625 to a 739, please go to my website, mgmclassiccars.com. Go where the car's at. It's gonna say apply now. You're gonna need at least 10% down. We finance up to 84 months. Should usually, hopefully get an approval within, I don't know, 2 days, maybe sooner. If you're a 740 and above, please go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Sometimes no money down. Again, 84 months with great rates, approvals within or less than 24 hours. If you need quotes in shipping anywhere in the United States, bonded and insured, opened and enclosed, please text me or call me at 773-600-0919. We are located in Addison, Illinois. We are open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturdays from 10 to 2. We have over 120 cars in inventory ready for immediate delivery. You could go to my website, mgmclassiccars.com, take a look. There's over 100 photos, videos. Pick the one you like. Give me a call. My name is Earl, 773-600-0919. If you like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook at Tri-State Auto Wholesalers, MGM Classic Cars. Thanks for giving me a few of your minutes. Hope to see you soon. Have a great day.